Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, click the link given below in description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now, click on Start button and answer all the questions. Now take a screenshot of your result. Now after this, open any editing application. Go to New Project and add your one photo and a screenshot. Select Format 9:16. Adjust your photo to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Apply text layer till the first photo. Now check your video and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.